Hi, my name is Cem Vardar. I've worked for companies like Intel and Carvana for about 20 years as a data scientist and an engineer. My job in these companies was mainly to help them make better decisions related to their location selection, logistics, factory management, and that type of stuff. And when we are when these types of companies make big decisions like where to locate a logistics hub, a factory, a reconditioning center, that sort of stuff, they use all the data that they can find, and they make really careful and detailed analysis about the pros and cons of each location, and then they try to quantify which one is better for them, which locations are better for them. So I think small businesses also deserve same type of detailed analysis and care when they are making their location decisions. So if you have a business that's you are going to open you are going to open new, or you are expanding and opening new locations, what we can do is we can use available demographic data to do a really detailed and careful analysis about the candidate locations or the areas that are best to put that new business or the new location of your business, right? So in this product, I'm offering what we call a demographic analysis, and then it's going to be an analysis of population, income, age, and other types of factors that might be related to your business. And then I will work closely with you to walk through this analysis in detail, so that you understand why the results that these types of analysis show is valid, and you can make decisions based on those, right? So it's not going to be a black box thing, but I'm going to really get into the details with you and walk you through the results of this analysis. So I think in this product, what we can do is working together, we can really help you make the best location decision. After all, where you locate your business has a huge impact on your if your business succeeds or fails. So I believe it's worth to spend the effort and the energy to look into these types of data with an expert. Feel free to reach out to me even if you don't buy the product, through my email that I listed below. If you have any questions, I'm very interested in this area at the moment, so I'll be very responsive and answer any questions that you might have. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.